Hey guys, welcome back to another of my videos. This is my second day on YouTube. Yeah, you probably remember me. And the blue is starting to come out of my hair. It's very early. You can see that I'm wearing my Mario shirt. M for Mario. Yeah, it is let's see the time. It's about 5 it's about to be 6, and that gives me enough time to make this video until my mom wakes up. So I figured out an idea for our video today, Pokemon cards. So I thought we would open up some Pokemon cards today. Yeah. So let's go over to my table and unbox these. Okay, you can see that I have Pokemon cards. We'll need to use my scissors. Cut it right at the line and comment in the subscription below. If you think this is the right spot to cut, but I am gonna cut. Cut. And by the way, we're gonna do Roblox in my next video. That'll be fun. Yeah. Okay, figure out how to get these out. Okay. Open the packet up. I'm going to show you guys through the camera. So this one, so we can either vote for this one or this one or this one. Write down in the comments below what you think, but if for this video, I think we should do this one. It's really cute. Yeah. So let's get back our scissors. I need to cut a little more. Okay, let's see what we got here. Let's see. An energy card. Let's see. Ooh, basic energy. Let's see what else we got. Ooh, I don't know the name of this Pokemon. Write down what its name is in the comments below. Okay. Next one. Ooh, another Pokemon. It looks like it's a strength type, 70 health. I wonder what that Pokemon is. Is that a crocodile? Oh my god. OMG. It's a trainer card. I love this Pokemon. Wait, 110 health. That will be useful. What? I have one of these cards. I have one actually. Now I have 2 of these things. Whoa, a 2-headed plant? I don't know what this is. We have 4 left. Wait, is that 5? No. The video is about 4 minutes through, so this will be a short video. Okay. We got that looks like I don't know, but I know Pokemon that looks like that. That looks like the water type of it. but the other type is like a dirt type, kind of. Okay, so, okay. If you don't know this Pokemon, I don't know the name either. Yeah. If you, 70 health. Dark is one of my favorite types. This is cool. Oh, this looks sick. Last card. This is one of my favorites. Doggy. Okay, we did Pokemon cards. That was a short video. It was about 5 minutes. If you look up there, you can see me making the video. Yeah, I see how long it's recording. Oh my god. It's fun making videos. Wait. I think I'll get more subscribers today. Because... Wait. I'm not going to tell you guys, but I'll tell you the name of my YouTube channel. Games with Anton. My name is Anton, and I love science, so that's why my YouTube symbol has a scientist on it. And by the way, it's very early still, so pajamas. No. Sorry, I didn't mean to do that on camera. Is that marker in my hand? No, do not fall, iPad. Sorry. My iPad fell. I needed to save it. It doesn't have a case, so it might break. Sorry. This was a short video, even though it's about 7 minutes now. If you look up there again, 7 minutes and 22 seconds. This is fun making this new video. Now I might have 10 subscribers and 2 videos. And by the way, hope you subscribe to never miss another of my videos. I'm making a video every single weekend. So,